Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking predator as it is featured in Fortnite. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this awesome looking character. So here's my sketch underneath. So to begin, we're going to draw in the eye area first. So right in between the eyes, just one line across. And then from here, I'm just going to slant it up on both sides. So that's going to be the top of the eye. Now we're going to come back down. So just bracket. Come back to the middle here. Come down, and then just close it off. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the top of the head, which is going to be pretty big. So we're just going to continue with this curve right here. And this part's a little bit tricky because it's so big and it's always difficult to draw in these kind of smooth curves. Okay, so just come up. But don't close it, just leave a little bit of a gap. Come down. And then I'm going to draw kind of like an egg shape just right inside. So just follow the curve on the outside. And then on the top here, just close it off. So just round everything up. Okay, so that's the top of the head. So now let's come down and draw in the rest of the face mask. Right in the middle right here. Just draw like a little dome shape. This is going to be the mouth area. We'll come straight down and then just close it off. So this will be the very bottom. Okay, and then once we have this, come back up here. Just bracket around the eyes. So we're right around here. Curve down. Okay, stop a little bit short and then just angle it, connect that. All right, and then to finish off the mask right here, continue the line. And then from here, we're gonna connect to this point here, but just pinch it in. So it's nice and sharp on the top. So that's gonna be the side of the face. And let me shade this in real quick. I think it will look a lot cooler. At least it'll look a lot meaner. Okay, so now that we have this, let's draw in the little, it's got a little laser sight right here. Let's draw a little dome shape coming out. And then on the inside, I'm just gonna add 3 dots. From the corner here on the side, just go up. All right, so now let's draw in some strands. I'm just gonna start in this corner right here. Just come down like this, and then go back up. Just connect to that. Okay, so that's gonna be 1. And then let's draw a couple more. So this one's just gonna come down, and then this one, just tuck it right behind there. Okay, so this one's gonna start all the way up here. Let's come down and then come back up. Just tuck it right behind there. All right, and then we're gonna draw one more. Let's come up here. Just stop a little bit short. Just go back up. All right, so this one's on the back. All right, so we're just gonna draw 3 on each side. So let's continue on with the body. So right here, just gonna draw a little curve here. This is gonna be a neckline. And then for the torso area, it's gonna be right around here. So almost the width of the face right here. Just come down. So it's gonna be behind the hair, so we won't see the shoulders. Close it off. This is gonna be the torso area. And then for the belt, I'm just gonna extend it. Just draw one long rectangle. And let's go ahead and add in the belt buckle. And then right in the middle right here, let's draw part of the hip. Okay, so now that we have this is gonna be a torso. Let's go ahead and join the arms. So this side is gonna have the shoulder pad right here. So in this part, slant down, and the armpit's gonna be right around here on the bottom. Come out, and then I'm gonna curve all the way up here. So his shoulder is right around here. And then now for this arm, again, here's the armpit. Come down. Close it off. That's gonna be the elbow. And then let's see, let's go ahead and continue on down here and we'll draw in this arm right here. For the lower arm, come down. I'm gonna extend it on this side. Close it off flat. Okay, and then, so we're right around here. And then now for his hand, we'll give him those mean claws. So just curve, come back up. One little slant like this. And then here's the back of the hand. So right here is gonna be his other finger. So let's just go ahead and curve it in. connect to that. That's going to be one, and then for the other ones, we'll just see part of it. Alright, so let's draw in the other arm, and then we'll add in all the cool little details on the armor. So this one's going to be holding the skull, so it's going to be slightly different. So here's the armpit. The armor, this one's a little bit smaller. Just land up, and then again, just curve it up to the shoulders, somewhere around here. Alright, so this one's going to be extended out here. So we'll slant out, close it off. For the lower arm again, come down. We're going to extend it here. So it's pretty much the same as this. Alright, and then now for the hand, it's going to be holding the skull. So let's go ahead and start with the thumb again. Curve, curve up. And then this side, we'll just come across. Now for the back of the hand. And now for the finger right here, just one little curve. Again, nice and sharp. So that's gonna be two of the fingers, and now we're gonna draw in the skull first. So just come right around here, just draw one big bracket. Come down here. Okay, one little bracket like this. And now in the back right here, I'm just gonna connect this. We just make it nice and cartoony. And now for the teeth, I'm just gonna add a couple of lines here. Come up here, draw a little triangle here. That's gonna be the nose. And then now for the eye socket, so just come out here. One, and then on this side here, we'll see part of it. So it's gonna be more like a little U shape. And let me shade that in real quick so we can see this a little bit better. Alright, and then we can add in a little bit more detail. Just one more finger in the back right here. So that looks like it's kind of clawing onto the head. Alright, so now let's add in some cool details to the armor. Right in the middle, come down, and this side's gonna go out. This one's gonna curve down and then go out this side. And then let's add one more, starting here right in the middle, slight curve, and then same thing, just go out. One little rectangle here. So these are really easy to draw, right? And it adds in a lot of little details, make it look a lot cooler. Okay, so right in the middle of this, just one smooth curve, follow the outside. Two slants going up. And on this side here, just follow this line. All right, and then for the forearm right here, just right in the middle, just add one little line first, and then just come down. So same thing here, right in the middle. Okay, and if you want to add in the little tube, so these are really easy to draw. Just draw one little line like this first, and then just draw one more. All right, so now let's join the legs. We're gonna start right on the outside right here. Come down, and then just kind of come straight down here. Come back to the middle right here. Curve out. Close it off with a slant. So this one's going up. All right, and then for the knees right here, I'm just gonna extend this. Just draw like a little bow shape. That's gonna be the knee, also the knee pads. All right, and then now for the lower leg, continue this curve right here. Just one long bracket. Close it off with a slight curve going up. Okay, same thing here. curve going up. Alright, and then now for the foot, come straight down this side, on the inside. This one's gonna go out. Just close that off. Okay, so straight down. This side's gonna go out a little bit more. Alright, so let's go ahead and finish up the toe area right here. Just draw one little line across and then just come down on the inside right here. And then from here, draw two curves going this way. So just follow this curve here. Alright, and lastly, let's add in a little bit more armor right here. Slant down and then just go out to the corner right here. And then this looks like it's got some ripped clothing right here. So I'm just gonna zigzag all the way across. And if you like, we can add in a little bit more detail right in the middle. Just draw one little angle. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and hope it's not too complicated. I know this character has a lot of little details. So now for the little kind of mesh around the body, I'm going to switch to the thinner Sharpie, and I'm just going to draw in kind of like a 45-degree angle. Just right in these areas right here. I know it's kind of small. I'm just going to go in one direction first. Once you have that, just come across, draw in the other direction. So just try to space it out evenly. Okay, so same thing here. So just draw all one direction first and then just come across. And that is it for this cool looking predator. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and don't forget to get your free coloring page on my new website at mycoolkidsart.com, where you will find this and many other cool stuff on the site. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.